Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry it's been a while. I've been like sick for like the last 2 to 3 weeks now. And I still have a little cough. So trust me, it has not been fun. And I have to work. So yeah, it's been a blast. And yeah, everybody got a close up on my face. And my teeth. I need to go to the dentist. We're getting into something that we shouldn't. Okay. Let's talk about the topic of this lovely video that you are now watching. Jessica Allen, if you were watching, I am drinking Sunny D because, you know, vitamin C is supposed to be good for getting over sickness. You need to drink it. You need to. Oh, it has a lot of sugar. Less sugar. Less. Is that a crack on the side of my glass? Tasty. We're moving on. Okay, I watch a channel on YouTube called Yo-Yo Max 12. And she does cooking videos and subscription boxes. And she did one called the NatureBox, and I'm like, that sounds awesome. And what they do is for $20 a month. For once a month you get a subscription box, and you get to choose 5 different snacks. However, at the time I didn't have $20, and so they give you the option of getting a sample box, and it's free. But the only thing you pay for is the shipping, which is $2. And so that's what I got. The Nature Box. There's nothing in this box. I already took everything out. 2 things you will not see because my roommate took them because she knows I don't like spicy things. One of them is a that was my phone, sorry. One of them is jalapeno. No, I take that back. I have the jalapeno cashews. That's right, right here. Jalapeno cashews. Okay. I guess the thing that she has are the sriracha flavored cashews. Just double checking. Yeah, I don't have it. I don't really like spicy food, or really anything spicy in general. Let's see who bothered us. Oh, Jessica. We were just talking about you. Yes, I'm doing this in my video, people. Alert the authorities. Jessica saying she's going to hide when the cold weather gets here. And you know what Aaron's going to do, Jessica? Aaron's going to drag you to a beach when it's 30 below. 30 below, Jessica, and you will be in the freezing cold. You can bring blankets, but you're going. Moving on. Okay, I have, 4 things. We'll start with the one that's actually open. And these are NatureBox Sweet Blueberry Almonds, which are blueberry flavored almonds, obviously. I already opened these because it's the only thing I really tried. Sorry, I'm bad at this. So yeah, maybe I better do it better this way. I have this light dusting coating. Let's give them a try. They're very good. The outside has a sweet coating, and it definitely tastes like blueberries. Yeah, these are very good. I would eat more, but I want to get to trying the other ones. We're saving the jalapeno ones for last. Alright, this is cranberry medley, which is pomegranate and kai flavored dried cranberries with blueberries. Oh, it smells good. Oh. Oh my gosh, it smells awesome, guys. Sorry, my nose has been like itching and bothering me today. I don't know why. So if I do that a lot in my video, I'm sorry. It's really unavoidable for me right now. Dried cranberry. The blueberries are really tiny. So we'll go with the bigger one first. My motto, bigger is always better. Special if you live in Texas, where everything is. Oh my goodness. Mm. Oh my gosh, that's awesome. Was it maybe that dry on the outside, but the inside it's got that juice. Let's try with these blueberry ones. I'll eat them both. Oh my gosh, I was a little skeptical when I went to try these, because I didn't know what they would be, because I'm not really a big fan of cranberries, but these take the cake. They're really good. Oh my god, they're good. Yeah, I ain't sharing these with anybody. Jessica, if these are still around in your room, don't expect to get one, honey. Mine. Which it makes me consider actually signing up for a subscription and getting this one, because maybe they'll have it in a bigger size. So yeah, guys, get this one. Get Cranberry Medley. It is awesome. I don't know if I showed you this one. That's amazing. Alright, next one is Masa chips, Masa crisps, which are corn chips with flax seeds. I don't know what flax seeds are, so please do comment below and let me know, because I have no idea. I see them all the time at work, but I have no idea what it is. Although, on a side note while I'm opening this, how awesome was the Supreme Court ruling? I didn't do a video over that because I was way too busy to do anything of the sort. I really regret not doing one. I guess I still can, but it feels kind of late to do one. Plus, there's been so much negative stuff said about it, and you know. Alright, these are very interesting looking. They have a corn type smell. Almost like a tortilla chip smell. Oh, they're good. They're really good. They kind of taste like Fritos. Yeah, they kind of taste like Fritos. Mm. I don't know about flax seeds. I like whatever they are. I like them. Oh, bag fell open. Then again, that's a good thing. Now the dreadful ones, the jalapeno cashews. Now, these only have jalapeno seasoning. So, I don't know if they're going to be spicy. I told my roommate that she can have these because she's big. She loves, her and my other roommate, they're really big on spicy. I'm not. I like certain spicy things. Like, I love Spanish rice, like spicy Spanish rice. And when I was still living with my sister and she would make, spicy food and chili most of the time. I like spicy chili to a point where it has just enough spicy where it's very subtle, where you can still you can eat a bowl and you can feel a kick, but you can eat an entire bowl, but it doesn't make your mouth feel like it's on fire. That's all the chili my sister always made. Mouth of chili that made your mouth on fire. And this is what they look like. Pretty standard, average cashews. They don't really look any different. However, they smell spicy. I'm putting one back in this bag. I'm only trying one. And I have my Sunny D up there because I already know this is probably going to be spicy. One more. I love cashews. I love cashews, but they're always so expensive. Okay, I take that back. My roommate's not having these. For one of them, it has a little bit more of a subtle. It's like in between actual spicy and subtle, because if you have two, like what I just did, they have a very a little more of a subtle kick, but they're really good. I love cashews. If like usually if I want to splurge, I'll buy a container of cashews and I'll just eat them. They're really good. Plus, I have a recipe for cashew chicken I've been really wanting to try. So if there were more of these, I would use these for that recipe, but there's not. These are actually really good, even though they're spicy. And now I'm just gonna be eating all of them. I really do like these Masa crisps. They're really good. Not good for your teeth, though. Alright guys, well this was my review of my sampler NatureBox. I will be doing another one of these. I will be ordering one, and you can expect me to do a review every month. Also, with these boxes, they have over 100 different snacks. They have over 100 different ones, and they add more every year. And you can go on when you order. You get to pick which 5 you want every month. I don't know what kind they have, but this is just a sampler of what they got, and I don't know. I haven't decided if I want to get one of these that I actually really like, or decide to get one of the ones that I've never tried that sound really good. So, all right. Well, I will see you guys next time in my next video. All right. Bye.